Hello friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video we are going to talk about 3 important things. But before I speak about this, I just want to ask you a couple of questions. The first question is, do you really enjoy listening to music with your earbuds or headset on? The second question is, do you really enjoy talking to people with your headset or earbuds or earphones on? Or do you really enjoy watching movies with your headset on? Or sometimes you find it very disgusting because you can just keep hearing the interrupting and disrupting and distracting noises around you. So this takes us to the topic of today. I want to discuss with you 3 important things. The first thing is noise cancellation, which means when the noise cancellation is on, active noise cancellation, ANC. And the second thing is when the noise cancellation is off. Okay? And the third thing is the transparency mode. Okay? Sometimes you have to enjoy the music, sometimes you have to enjoy the movie, sometimes you have to enjoy talking to people, but without any interrupting noises or any interrupting surrounding area noises or any wind or any kind of noises or some distractions which could be there. So how can we avoid this? That's what I'm going to talk about you today. People are using different brands of earbuds, earphones and headset, but I'm sure most of these people, they are not enjoying themselves. They are not really finding the happiness. They are really not finding this joy. They cannot get it. They cannot get it. Why? Because they keep listening. They keep hearing these destructive noises. They keep hearing this disgusting, this annoying noises around themselves. So how can we stop this? So in today's video, I'm just going to use Oraimo earbuds. This is the one that I'm going to use to show you how this noise cancellation and transparency mode work. This Oraimo earbud that I'm going to use, it is having this both noise cancellation feature and the transparency mode. But before we begin, let me just explain a little bit about this noise cancellation and transparency mode, and then later I will proceed with how to enable this feature, how to disable it, and then how you can just benefit from this. So talking about noise cancellation, as the name implies, it's noise cancellation. It cancels out these noises. These noises are not required. These noises are not necessary. So this feature in a different brands, the same way it is in here in this Oraimo earbud. So this feature cancels out all these necessary noises. For example, let's say you are traveling, you are just roaming around, maybe in the market or maybe in the street or on the road, where there will be so many of car noises, car honkings, and so many things. So if you are talking to someone, those people you are talking to maybe on a phone, they will be very much disgusted. They will not concentrate on what you are telling them because they will keep listening to those unnecessary noises around you. So if we say about noise cancellation, this feature, it will block all those unnecessary voices, all those unnecessary sounds or unnecessary background things which are not required, and this feature will focus on your voice only. So what it means when you enable or when you turn on this feature in your earbud or in your headset or earphones that you are using, it means all those noises are going to be blocked. It means the person you are talking to, they will not hear any sort of background noises around you. And the second thing is transparency mode. To better understand this transparency mode, let me use this example. Let's say you are traveling, or maybe you are walking, or you are roaming around a construction site. At this area there will be so much of noises there, machine noises. There will be employees or workers trying to communicate among themselves, so it will be kind of chaos there. But in this transparency mode, all those machine noises, all those construction things, noises, they will be cancelled out. The only thing which will be audible, it will be only the conversations, so like the people voices. Those machines, those cars, or those other extra noises there, they will not be audible. So what this means, it means if you are talking to someone and you are in this area and you have enabled this transparency mode, those people, they will be listening, or they will be hearing your voice and the voice of people around you. But those voices, those extra sound, those background noises, wind, construction things, those noises, machine noises, those noises, they will not be heard. So in this particular earbud that I'm currently using, Oraimo earbud, when we want to turn on this noise cancellation mode, we have to just use the left earbud. And on this left earbud, we have to come and touch here on this sensor. Okay, you can see that here there is this black sensor here. Okay, so this one, which is looking like a circle here. So we just have to come and touch there and hold for like 3 seconds until we hear 2 beeps. T, T. If those 2 beeps are done, it means the noise cancellation mode is turned on. So let's just go and do it. We shall also hear the woman voice saying noise cancellation on, something like that. So let's just do it. I'll just touch and hold here. First beep, second beep.
Noise cancellation on.
So you can hear noise cancellation on. So if I do the same thing, if I touch here and I hear 2 beeps, it means I will activate the transparency mode. Okay, again, let us do the same thing. 1, 2.
Transparency.
You can hear transparency. So this is the transparency mode. Okay, so now if I do the same thing, if I touch here and hold for 2 seconds until I hear these 2 beeps, it means the noise cancellation mode will be turned off. So let us do the same thing.
Noise cancellation off.
So you can hear noise cancellation off. So for the Oraimo users, there is a specificity because this one comes with Android and iPhone app. So it means you can access all these features within an app. So in this app, you can just use this noise cancellation. You can just on it, you can off it, and you can also do the same thing to this transparency mode. So this is how it really works. This is how you can just improve your experience with listening to music, talking to people, watching your movies without any disturbance, without any background or any surrounding areas like noises and maybe annoying voices around you. So try to improve your listening to music, talking to people on phones, talking to people, friends, families on phones, or even watching movies by trying out these 3 features which I have showed you, and I'm very sure that you are going to like these. Especially for me, the one that I like the most, it is this noise cancellation, because when I turn this on, whenever I'm traveling or whenever I'm in very noisy place, trust me, it will sound like I'm the only one there. I'll be enjoying my company. I'll be enjoying my one world. It's like I'm lost somewhere in my heaven. So this is the end of the video, and I want to thank you who have stuck with me, who have stayed with me in this video. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. See you. Take care.